Wouldn't you love to get healthy, build your immunity, and feel fantastic through the holidays, the pandemic, and beyond? Sounds good, right? You can. And today, I'm going to show you how. I'm Kathryn. I'm your nutritionist and joyful living coach. And the best way that I know how to improve your health, your immunity, and feel fantastic. It is, drum roll please, eat more vegetables. I know. I hear you. Vegetables can be like bland, boring pond scum, right? Well, not in my book. I help you make getting and eating veggies easy and delicious. So today, I'm sharing my fast green curry veggie recipe and how I get organic and local veggies delivered right to my door every single week. If you want help preparing all these great veggies, I've put together a video veggie cooking class that I developed just for you. Stay tuned and learn how to snag your copy. You know, vegetables, the ones that are sprayed with pesticides, they cause so many problems in your system. And when we eat local produce, we're simply healthier because you're eating in your own ecosystem. So good for you. So every week, Farm Fresh to You, they deliver a box of the most delicious, local, and organic veggies right to my door. I love it. They are so fresh, so delicious, and I even get to hand pick my favorites. So if you want to try them and receive a discount on your first box, all you need to do is sign up at farmfreshtoyou.com and use the code KATH for me 1883, and you'll receive $15 off your first box. So get ready for your mouth to start watering with my green curry veggie recipe. And please watch this to the end where I share how you can get my Veg It Up vegetable cooking series. Remember that code. It's KATH 1883. I just made all these brilliant vegetables. I did a video of what it's like to chop. I realized that some of my clients, hey, they don't even know how to chop vegetables, or they don't think they're very good at it. You don't have to be good at it. You just have to chop. So if that's you, pop on over, watch that video, and then come back because we're making an amazing green curry. And I am so into making things fast, fun, and fabulous, and really easy as long as they're whole, real foods. So this is kind of a pre-made dish that I wanted to share with you because I found this thing that you're going to love. So we're going to start with red onions. And I've already chopped these up. I'm just throwing them into a little olive oil. This is about 1 red onion, diced, and about 1.5 tablespoons of olive oil. And I'm just going to let these soften a little bit. And as they soften, I'm going to tell you about this new find I found that I just love. These are called Nona Lim green curry noodles, and they're vegetarian. Actually, they're vegan, but they have all these great ingredients and they have no sugar. The big thing about buying pre-made noodles, pre-made sauces, they usually have sugar. This one doesn't. So it's the hot ticket, and you can throw this together really fast. I could make this really great and make it from scratch, but you know what? Today I don't feel like it. So you can choose how you want to make it for yourself. And it comes with this little noodle package. So I'm just going to throw these noodles into some boiling water, and they'll cook up in about a minute. So this package, in this noodle sauce, you can see this sauce, it has coconut cream, a little bit of water, some carrots. I'm just going to stir while we talk. And it's got some onions and then red onions. That's what I'm making here. Red onions are really sweet. They're delicious. Has mushrooms, great for your immunity. Cilantro, lemongrass, some salt, some extra virgin olive oil, so really good pure ingredients, and coriander, cumin, and some pepper. Really simple. You could throw all of that into a high-speed blender, but instead, I'm making it easy. I bought the packaged sauce. Yep, I've given in. So we're just gonna put some salt in with these onions. It's nice to season this before you put the vegetables in. Kind of just makes everything taste really good. And watch that video and it'll show you how I've made it. But this is my vegetable medley that I just chopped up. So like I said, the video that I made with all of the vegetables, that will show you how I did it. But this is asparagus, broccoli, some cilantro, some red bell pepper, some carrots, and it's just a medley of a ton of vegetables that I'm going to cook up. I'm throwing all of these in, and I'm going to give this a stir just to mix it so it's going to saute. And then I'm putting frozen green beans. You can see how easy this cooks up. So frozen green beans, there we go. Green beans are so good to balance your blood sugar. And I have some blood sugar issues. My grandmother was a diabetic, so I love to just throw that in. You can see some of this I haven't even chopped that well, especially the cilantro. It's just gonna get stringy and it's gonna really kind of melt. Next thing I'm putting in, spiralized zucchini. But guess what? I didn't make these either. I bought them. I have a spiralizer, and I do spiralize my zucchini. The only trick is you really have to be careful because when you buy these, you have to use them like in a day or they'll get too mushy. So we're gonna throw this in. Isn't this gorgeous? I mean, check this out. It's green, green, green. This is so healthy for you. But then you're gonna get your noodles too. And I want to talk to you about the noodles that come with this. There are rice noodles, so they're gluten-free. But if you don't even handle those very well, you can use something called a miracle noodle. You buy it in the Asian section, and it's made from the cognac root, and it's so good for you. Lots and lots of fiber, but almost 0 calories. So look for those. They're miracle noodles. You can get them at your favorite nutrition store, or you can get them on Amazon. I'm also going to put in some, these are so good. These are organic water chestnuts. The reason why I love these so much, they crunch. The piece de resistance. So I'm going to let this just simmer. I'm putting some peas in for my estrogen levels. These are frozen peas. You see how quickly and easily this comes together, right? I'm stirring this up, and we're gonna pretend like this is all cooked, but it's not. So I'm throwing in the sauce again. I gave you all the ingredients, and I'm gonna show you a recipe for that. But I'm just throwing in the sauce, and we'll let it blend with everything else. And then when these noodles are cooked up in about a minute, I'll throw this on top of the noodles. So once this cooks down, I'll come back and I'll show you the recipe. It's really delicious. See, to cook, it really doesn't take much. I did this faster than the time it would have taken to drive to my takeout restaurant. And in COVID, hey, everything is dicey, right? So you really want to make your own food and love it, love it, love it. I'm Kathryn. I'm your nutritionist and joyful living coach. And if you haven't gotten Veggie It Up, hey, grab your copy on my website at kathrynchess.com. You are going to love it. Learn to eat more vegetables. If you want to get healthy, if you want to get your body to its perfect weight, vegetables are your magic. So come back. I'm going to show you the finished product in a minute. Okay, I told you I'd be back. Check this out. Here's the finished product, and it is so delicious. You can see the noodles are at the bottom, and all these great vegetables are on the top. I didn't really cook them very much. I want them to be al dente to keep a lot of nutrients in them, and that sauce, it's phenomenal. So I'm gonna take a bite and I'll tell you how it tastes. There's greens coming out of my mouth. Oh my goodness. This is incredible. Enjoy this. And if you like it, hey, sign up for Veggie It Up, my series of 27 amazing vegetable recipes that you can veggie it up with. And I come into your kitchen with video tutorials to show you how to make everything. It's so delicious. Pop on my website, sign up for Veggie It Up, and I'll see you there. I'm Kathryn Chess. I'm your nutritionist and joyful living coach. And I help you to renew your energy, rebalance your hormones, and love, love, love your life. More importantly, I love you and I help you to love yourself. Bye-bye.